Wall Street Mania, what up? Today, beautiful Sunday. I think this is a good idea to introduce something that we can start as a series. This is going to be called Start Smart Sundays, Day Trading Q&A. This is going to be episode 1. Basically, all it is just general questions you guys may have. You guys have messaged me. You guys want to know, and I'm going to answer those. And it's going to be 5. We're going to do them every single Sunday. So let's jump into it. First question is, what is day trading and how does it work? So day trading, hence the name day. I'm trying to buy stock within that day's time and sell it within the same day. I'm trying to make a quick profit in a short amount of time, basically. Usually my trades will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Probably the longest I've had was maybe 30 minutes, maybe. You're not holding this thing for a long period of time. You're trying to let this thing go quick, fast. There is another thing that's called swing trading. Swing trading is when you buy a stock and you sell it the next day, the next week, the next month, the next year. That is considered as swing trading, anything that you buy today but release it another day. So that's how that works. So here's the next question. How much money do I need to start off with to day trade? That I get a lot from y'all. That's like the first thing. How much money I need to put in? So here's the true answer. If you are doing exactly what I'm doing, I mean exactly what I'm doing, which is futures trading, to be comfortable, I would say $300 to $500 is what you need to start off with. Keep in mind, market is going to pull back. You are going to lose $300 to $500 to be comfortable. You don't have to start off with that. You can actually use $100 to be completely honest with you, but $300 to $500 to be comfortable. If you don't have that type of money to be trading out, you can use a prop firm. That would be another video for another time, but basically it's you using another company or somebody else's money to make money. So 2 different ways that y'all can do that. All right, the next question, question 3. What is the difference between stocks, futures, Forex, and options trading? The normal stocks, traditional stocks is what everybody know about. That's when you put money into it, you put $5 in it, it goes up, you just made 50 cents, you made $1 or something like that. It's long term, basically. If you invested in something now, you usually have to wait a couple years before you really see a good investment. That's normal, traditional stuff that everybody know about. What I do is called futures trading. So with futures trading, it's more contract based. The same thing when it comes down to Forex and options as well. You are using more of a contract. It is riskier, but it's going to move faster. Today with Boeing, you made $5. I made $50. I made $5,000. I made $500. And the difference between that with Forex, futures, and options, Forex is more the foreign exchange. I've never used Forex. I know there's a lot of successful day traders out there using Forex. Never touched it. I have dabbled with options trading. Option trading is more contract based as well. It's a little bit more difficult. I will say the reason why I let options go is because of time decay. Basically, if it takes a long time to hit your price when it comes down to option trade, you lose money. Now with futures trading, that's what I do currently. Everything moves a little bit faster, so I don't have to wait. So if it takes all day to hit my target, if my target is to hit $500, I'm at $400. I don't lose money if it takes all day to hit that trade. The difference between is just more contract based. Your traditional stocks is slower and safer. Your option trading, your futures, your Forex, that's more riskier, but the reward is better as well. So question 4 is, how long does it take to learn this? I mean, that depends, really. Typically, they say day trading and just learning the market takes 2 years. That's 2 years of you being consistent, not off and on, not trading this for 6 months or 3 months and going back. Consistency for 2 years is what they say it takes. That gives you time to lose, win, learn the market, learn how the market moves, making sure you're doing all the stuff you're supposed to do. I have seen people say it's taking them 3 years. I've seen people say it's taking them 5 years. I've seen people and multiple people say it's taking them 10 years and more to learn this. It depends though. How much are you willing to put into this? You might even look at this and say, man, this taking too long. All right, cool. Well, continue to work at a job 9 to 5 for the rest of your life when you could have been learning at the same time. So it really depends. What are you willing to put into it? Is it that much important to you? And if it's not, don't worry about it. If you complain about your job, do something. But if you're not, then stay where you are. You know what I mean? But it depends. Me personally, it's taken me a good 2 years. But again, this was me being consistent. This was multiple times of me going to family events and my wife getting pissed off at me because I brought my laptop and I'm trying to back test. So depends on how much work you're trying to put into it. But typically 2 year plus is what it takes. The final question, is this hard? Yes, this is not for the weak. There's a lot of videos that are on YouTube about getting out the 9 to 5, day trading. Just literally right now, go on YouTube and look up day in the life of a day trader. You're gonna see a young dude with a car, with a Lamborghini, most likely. Do I believe all of it? No. That's just me being real. A lot of this stuff, and this is just to kind of go off topic for a second, a lot of day traders don't know how to trade. That's just call it what it is. They're good at selling course to you. They're not good at showing you live results, wins and losses. I didn't want to be that, so that's why I show you guys my wins, my losses. I will journey and show you guys exactly what I'm doing. The reason why I went off topic is because day trading is hard. Most of those gurus that you guys follow don't know how to trade because it's that hard. They tried, and they figure I can rent a car, post a video, tell you I trade, and you're gonna pay a course, and that's how they get rich. Most traders do not know how to actually trade the actual market. Very small amounts do, but not everybody. To answer it, yes, day trading is very hard because you're gonna win, you're gonna lose, you're gonna have emotions intact with it. You may not have a good time to do it. You gotta figure out a good time for you. You gotta figure out how much money you're willing to lose. You will lose money. That's the one thing I'll guarantee you in this. You're gonna lose money. So if you ain't willing to lose money, turn the video off. Go back to working at your 9 to 5. That's all I'm saying. It depends on how much you are willing to put into this. There have been multiple times, and I always share this. I would stay up to 3, 4, 5 in the morning, back testing this market out over and over and over, just to get up and lose $300 and $400 the next day and blow an account and have to add more money in. I didn't give up because I know the type of life that this brings. Like me and my wife, we got to go to Disney World. I had to pay out. We got to go to Disney World on it. So it was really, really nice, and to bring the family and stuff too. So this world is very unique. And if you really want it bad enough, like anything in life, you will be willing to put the work in. So if you watching a couple of these videos, it's hard for you, you ain't the one. You ain't him. Besides that, Wall Street Mania, that's all I got for you guys. Please like and comment, share this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the other videos. God bless. Peace.
What up?